Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? So, what's going on, my brothers? What's going on? I hope you are all well. So, today's video is going absolutely very special for Hedera Hashgraph holder. So, let's see the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph. But before I get start this brand video, my brothers, I hope you subscribe this channel because this channel is just only for you. So, I hope you subscribe. This is very informative channel for you. If you subscribe, then I am updating you every good news or bad news. So guys, first of all, I'm going to show you the last 1 day chart. Please focus. This result absolutely very important for all Hedera Hashgraph holder. So first of all, if you can see here, this is a positive and this is absolutely mind-blowing reason. Congratulations, Hedera Hashgraph. All cryptocurrencies it goes down, but congratulations, my brother. I'm also holder of Hedera Hashgraph. Therefore, I'm so happy, my brother, because I see this type result and they can give you a good profit. Also give me good profit. Sorry. Also give us good profit. So just to wait for the end of this month. I hope they can make a good money. They can give you a good money. They make you a millionaire. Absolutely. If you can see here, the chances is absolutely gone up in those days. Absolutely, they take a jumping. If in those days they take a jump, is guys, all cryptocurrencies in those days. This is the start of month. Every cryptocurrency goes down, but Hedera Hashgraph, I can't believe that they can moving up in those days. So this is absolutely really mind-blowing result. I cannot imagine this result, why they can take a jumping. Oh my goodness, absolutely. But at this time you can see here, this is the last 1 hour, my brother. Sorry. Oh my goodness, absolutely the result is gone down. I can't believe this. Oh, what's gone? This is absolutely minus 1.28%. That's a big chance. Absolutely, why they gone down? Someone tell me and comment books, my brother. I am very excited for this result. You can see here absolutely goes down, but I think they can again starting jumping. Oh my goodness, absolutely they're taking jumping. And if you can see here, the price is going down. Why the price is going down? I can't believe this. Let's check it out, guys. The last 3 hour result to what's going on in the last 3 hour. 3 days. Oh my, can't believe my brain is stopped working. And this is the one reason to they can starting dumping. Absolutely, this is one reason to they starting dumping. I can't believe that. I am very angry for this result which I see absolutely very bad result. What's your opinion, guys? So this is selling time or buying time? This is my question to all of the holder of Hedera Hashgraph. Please answer me in a comment box. Absolutely, I need this question. Okay, answer this question. Sorry, my English is totally weak, guys, but what I do, absolutely, my brother need this information. Okay, so this time, if you can see here, this is the 3 days this is the 3 days chart. If you can see here, absolutely they take some just small dumping, but again they can starting jumping. Absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency, Hedera Hashgraph, not a small cryptocurrency, absolutely very highest cryptocurrency, and I hope they can cross just first position. Oh my goodness, what I say. Sorry. If you can see here, this time the chance is minus 4.01%. absolutely very bad chance, and I hope in upcoming days and of the mid of this month they can give us a good result, and they can starting jumping like a rocket. Absolutely, they're starting jumping like a rocket. So what you say, can they can take a jumping? Absolutely, they take a jumping. What you say, please share it in the comment box. Absolutely good for all holder of Hedera Hashgraph. So thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your opinion. This is selling time or buying time. My opinion, as this is absolutely buying time, because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency goes down, but Hedera absolutely this and those days also goes up. So I think this is good time for buying and sell it for the end of this month. What you say, please share it in the comment box, and also subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe this channel. See you next time.